Okay, bye, Slowy! Kumpletuhin natin ang checklist ng mga ipinagbabawal gawin. Delete ng thermostat. So, we were correct. The thermostat. So, now sa real test. So, as long as it doesn't hit 100, we fixed it. So, ayan, here's to hoping na ito na yun. I'm just talking, and if you're still watching, what the frick are you doing with your life? Okay guys, so we're back with another EK episode. Basically, last time, nag-overheat tayo. We went to Esteban, and we were overheating, and we had to recta the fan. And it was working for a bit until it wasn't. So the temps were still reaching 110. So we're back here today to do another slowy episode. So ayun, we think it's the thermostat nga. So we're gonna fiddle with it now. Pero akong intrusive thought, since narekta na natin yung fan, why don't we go 2 for 2? Like, kumpletuhin natin ang checklist ng mga ipinagbabawal gawin sa kotse. Bakit hindi tayo mag-delete ng thermostat? Ayan, let's try it. So, how do you delete the thermostat?
You remove it.
So, why shouldn't you delete thermostat?
You know the human body, right?
Yes.
Pag mainit ka, may fever ka.
Oh.
Diba? Pero, pag nilublob ka naman sa ice, magkaka-hypothermia ka. Medyo same concept sa engine. The engine has an operating temperature na ideal. And pag wala ka dun sa ideal operating temperature, yung ECU mo will try its best to get you to the operating temperature. So, gagawin niyang rich yung fuel mixture mo, tataasan niya idle mo. So, may things siya na gagawin that's unhealthy for the engine, trying to get to the normal operating temperature.
Oh.
So, for prolonged mo, kung iniwan mo siya, you will run rich and baka mag-bore wash yung... Well, long story short, mag-wear down yung piston rings mo kasi you're running rich.
So, ayun nga, right now we're at the little things na lang. It's the little things to make this car good eh. FYI pala guys, hindi tayo nawalan ng tubig masyado. So, it's not the we're not losing water na. I kept saying we were losing water. We were losing water. Now, the problem is getting more specific. Okay, so that took a while, but it's out. Yeah! Eh?
Do you see a thermostat? There is no thermostat to
begin with. What the? Anong ginawa natin?
So, there was no thermostat already.
Excuse me?
So, now I don't know
What do we do now?
why it's running hot.
No!
Because there is no thermostat. What if buying a thermostat makes it run
Jesus Christ.
proper temperature?
So, there was nothing to delete. Why are you hot then? What the hell?
I have a theory.
Oh.
Because pag wala kang thermostat, one of the ill effects are yung channels. Kasi when the thermostat opens,
Yeah.
it closes another channel. So wala
Gets
ka thermostat, yung dalawang channel is open. So when your water pump is turning, nagkakaroon ng conflict doon. Kasi dapat yung isa sarado, isa bukas. Pero ngayon, both of them are bukas.
Slight get.
If we buy a thermostat, it fixes things.
Okay, I guess we're gonna thermostat. I guess we're gonna thermostat install. Kala ko thermostat delete episode eh.
There is no thermostat.
So, we were correct. The thermostat. So, the thermostat is the issue kasi it's not freaking there. So, guys, ito ang conclusion or ito ang game plan ah. If we can't fix this with the thermostat, we're gonna look for a B series na automatic and call it a day. I have hope that happens pero I'm not financially ready for it kasi I really want to work on the EG and I really want to go racing next year. So, ayun. Kwento ko yung content plan for this episode. So, we were supposed to delete the thermostat and drive it around and prove a point. And then, we're gonna end the video there na, oh, it works, na thermostat delete works. And then, after that, we're gonna joke na, hanggang sa umalis yung mga haters. We're gonna be like, oh, no, that was just to prove a point. We really bought another thermostat. But, it was like we actually have to put a thermostat in. Nasira yung game plan. This was supposed to be my clickbait episode. But no! Gusto ko pa naman mag-reply sa hate comments about thermostat delete. Okay, so now we're off to buy a thermostat. Okay, we're on the way to the auto supply for the second time. So kanina, actually galing na kami dito, hindi pa ako nag-start mag-film. Bumili na kami ng silicone gasket. Inisip namin if we're gonna buy a thermostat na. Eh hindi. Ayan, balik tayo. I keep saying thermostat. Kasi diba, the way it was behaving, the way it was getting hot, it looks like it had a thermostat eh. You wouldn't assume na na-delete na agad eh. So, diba, I really thought na meron.
One week later.
Okay guys, so it's a Monday today. We're going to work. Moment of truth. So we're in the EK and we put the 70-degree thermostat in na. So we're gonna test it out. We're still rectifying. So let's see if this is gonna work. It's been like 40 minutes now. We've been stuck in traffic all the way. So malayo pa tayo sa Makati. But look! So far the whole time it hasn't hit 80 yet. Or it's about to. Pero it's not. So slay. So, tama nga ng 70 degrees yung thermostat. Kasi we're just playing around the 70 to 79 degree area. So, that's with the rectifan. Yeah, we'll continue to monitor it. We were almost there and it's... Oh my god. Teka lang. Let me flip the camera. And it's 78. It reached 80 pero it didn't go beyond that. So, slay. Okay, bye, Slowy. So, it didn't overheat. Slay.
Later.
Okay, we're done with the event na. So right now, we're gonna try yung making the fan automatic na one. Let's see how that goes. So it's 3 p.m. We're gonna try to beat rush hour traffic. So let's see. If you guys like this video, comment, subscribe, like, or you can also follow us on our other socials. We're on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Sige na, Slowy, please. Huwag ka na mag-overheat. Okay, so we're at 94 now. So now we're at operating Temp. So the fan should be kicking on right about now. So, now sa real test. So, as long as it doesn't hit 100, we fixed it. So, ayan, here's to hoping na ito na yun. Let's go! Guys, so traffic! Happy holidays! Happy holidays! Ha! So, this is the traffic. Ayan, medyo traffic. So, wala pa kami sa Mega Mall. Ayan, you can see the Mega Mall office thing there. So far, so good. We're still alive. Aircon's very cold. So, very nice. Okay, so now we're out of traffic and our temps are going down kanina from 96. Ayan, nagna 92, 93 na siya. So, nice. So, our cooling system is cool enough na pwede tayo mag-drive-thru ng kape. So, may, di kita. So, may Auto Plus. Ayun. Yan. My favorite Starbucks drive-thru. May know in the comments kung nakakuha na kayo Starbucks planner kasi ako hindi pa. Yay! Coffee! So, our repairs are a success. Now we're running the car properly with a thermostat and an automatic fan. So, imagine our issue pala was because we didn't have a thermostat. Eh, di ba sabi nila ang solution sa overheat? Sabi ng mga sirani ko is to delete the thermostat. Tapos yun pala, yun yung cause ng overheating issues natin. So, how a thermostat works kasi is it doesn't just simply open and close. It actually redirects the coolant. So, pag close yung isang passageway, the other one's open and vice versa. So, pag sarado yung isa, bukas yung isa. So, pag wala kang thermostat, yung flow of coolant mo, kung saan napupunta. Think of it as like an intersection na walang stoplight. Sabog yung flow. So, when the engine is cold and sarado pa yung thermostat, may bypass kasi sa engine. So, your coolant just keeps going around and around in the engine. So, pag nag-on na yung thermostat mo, it closes the bypass valve para it flows through the radiator na. Really gonna force the coolant to go through the radiator. So, what happens is when you don't have a thermostat, walang nagda-direct direct sa coolant to flow through the radiator. So, it just goes around the engine and it doesn't really get to your radiator. So, what happens is, yeah, may konting coolant that goes through your radiator. Pero most of it is just going around and around in your engine. So, kaya guys, your car will actually run cooler and better with the thermostat. Wow, ang informative ng vlog natin ngayon ah. Anyway, yun lang sa tuto.